How's it going, guys? So we have already started assembling things, as you can see. Something I had forgot that the last transmission that I had, I actually bought and replaced all the internals in it, not realizing that the housing was messed up. From PACT, PA, Performance Automatic Transmissions. So all the internals, and I mean, this is brand new. Everything in this transmission is brand new, clutches and all. The other transmission, I don't have the tail housing off, but back here on the inside was messed up. And then I've actually got the transmission sitting on top of an old drum, so that the tail shaft has somewhere to stick down, because if you don't, it pushes all this stuff up a little bit. And I think that's probably what killed the old transmission. But these are the clutches that are going in it. So as you can tell, need to wipe them off, but as you can tell, they are brand new. I mean, brand new. They have very, very little runtime on them. When I found out the other transmission was messed up, and then this is the transmission that replaced that transmission. And I had decided to keep it stock and not use the other parts. Come on, there we go. So I will update you guys as it goes. And it did end up, so the reason that this drum, no, not this drum, the reason that this did not want to come out wasn't because this was stuck. It was actually because when it broke, it messed up the end. And this whole outer piece right here is swole up a little bit. And this goes through the inside of that and goes over this. Well, because this is swelled up, this was stuck and wouldn't come off. So it wasn't letting that come out, and I had to fight it out. But it's all getting replaced anyways. It's nice and clean. So it doesn't matter. I've got new, you can see I still have everything laid out. I've got new pump and valve body gaskets. And I mean, I still got clutches galore. I mean, these are all brand new clutches. I got second gear clutches. I got clutches for days. Still brand new. So, but that drum I have brand new. This piece I have brand new, all new bearings and everything. It's all brand new. I've got this drum brand new. One of these, I think that's a Sun Gear. Pretty sure this is called a Sun Gear. Brand new. I have the fourth gear band, brand new. Reverse band that I put in, brand new. So it's essentially a brand new transmission inside of an old case. Not necessarily really upgraded stuff. It's got the hardened stub shaft. And then with the hardened stub shaft, it's got the, I don't know what this is called, to be honest. But it's got this that goes along with it. Because the insides, it's a little thicker actually, the stub shaft is, so the inside of this is opened up just a hair, so that it'll fit. But yeah, other than that, I'll keep you guys updated as it goes together. Right now I'm putting in the second gear clutches and plates and steels. Then I'm gonna put the pump on. I've gotta put the valve body on. And I'll keep you updated. It should be back in the car shortly. All right, guys, it's back together. I got the valve body in it. I got the pump on it. I've got the torque converter back in it. This, hard to read, I'm using hydraulic fluid. This meets the John Deere standard that fluid that everybody likes to use. This meets that standard. It's got 1 quart. I run 1 quart of ATF just to color it a little bit, and then this fluid. And yeah, I'm gonna be putting it back in the car. I'll update you as I go. All right, guys. Transmission is back up in the car. See if I can move this light over here so that you can see that I'm getting on. Whew. These things are hot and loose. Oof, real hot. Okay, there we go. So the transmission's back in. Everything's hooked up except for the drive shaft's not put in yet. I'm gonna call around tomorrow and see if I can find somebody to shorten it tomorrow. If not, I'm gonna shorten it myself. I re-centered my rear end and it made the drive shaft way too short. But other than that, it's back in the car. I'm gonna let it down off the jack stands and start on the cam swap. So I will keep you updated. All right, guys, transmission is in. So now I'm going to start the cam swap. I got my new cam. I've got my lifters. So I'm gonna start pulling all this out. I'll keep you guys updated. What's going on, guys? Oops. We've got the old cam out, the old flat tappet cam out. We're putting the new lifters in now. We got the cam in. I'm putting these, oiling them up, putting some Assembly lube on them. And then linked roller lifters, we're going roller. When I edit the video, I will put a picture or something of my cam specs. This is a Howard hydraulic roller lifter cam. It's 584. With it's an Urson. I'm sorry, it's an Urson cam. Howard lifters. It's a 584 with a lot of duration, but it's spec'd out for turbo application, which is what I was lacking before. I will update you guys further as it either comes together. Yeah, as it comes together, I will update you further. And then we'll get a video of the first start with it. So I will get back to you guys. We gotta put the balancer on still. I obviously gotta put that back on. I got studs for my intake now, but I had to order new push rods. They should be here tomorrow morning. I may be able to make it to the track tomorrow. If not, I plan on going Sunday. It'll be the last test and tune of the year at the track that I go to, the other track that I go to. So that's my plan. It's currently coming together, but as you can see, way too low. So they need to be a little shorter. And actually, yeah, way too long. So I've got the right size coming. Yeah, and I'll keep you updated as I go. All right, guys. It's as together as I can get it. Until I get my push rods. I've got some transmission fluid in it. I don't want to put any more in it until I can start it. I can't put the elbow on it and the throttle body until I get that valve cover on. I can't put the valve cover on until the push rods are done, rockers, etc., etc. So, yeah, that's going to be it for this video. In the next video, it will be hopefully the first start and maybe some track footage. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe.